Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to receive payment in Elevate Pay. So let's get started. Receiving payments in Elevate Pay is very simple and especially useful for freelancers working on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr or with international clients. To get started, open your Elevate Pay app and go to the Account Details section. Here, you will find your ACH account information, including your routing number and account number. These details work like a US bank account and allow you to receive payments directly from international platforms and employers. Now, if you are using freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, go to their payment settings and choose the option like Direct to US Bank or ACH Withdrawal. Then, simply enter your Elevate Pay routing number and account number in the required fields. Once you save these details, you can start receiving your earnings directly into your Elevate Pay account. If you are working with a direct client or a US-based employer, you can share your ACH details with them so they can send payments through a bank transfer. Most US companies prefer ACH transfers because they are fast, secure, and low cost. Once the payment is sent, it will appear in your Elevate Pay balance, usually in USD. However, always make sure to keep your account details safe and only share them with trusted platforms or clients to avoid any security risks. Your routing number identifies the banking partner, while your account number is unique to you, so handle this information carefully. Once the payment arrives, you can easily manage your funds, withdraw them to your local bank, or use them as needed directly from your Elevate Pay account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.